Hello from Detroit. Let me tell you what I'm thinking for Larry. First, it's quite a large duplex with lots of windows. Lots. It's a stacked duplex with a mirrored layout, meaning the first floor unit is the same as the second floor unit, essentially. Great for plumbing and mechanicals. Both are 3-bedroom, 1 bath. The living rooms are bright with a front balcony. Well, not quite ready at the moment. The kitchen is very awkward, so some changes will be made to the layout to make it work. Where do the appliances go? Will there be enough countertop space? This old original cabinet piece is very cool, but there's a lot of work to be done to it, and I think it needs to go somewhere else for now. I have an idea for it down the road, so stay tuned. The back bedroom is nice and bright with lots of windows. The other 2 rooms are a bit darker, but are a nice size. The bathroom has some awkward dimensions that I'll have to deal with in terms of layout. Oh, and the debate of bath or shower. There's a nice dining room area in both units with great windows and high ceilings and all the trim work. Like many Detroit houses, this house also has a loft on the 3rd floor. I love lofts. There's access through the back stairwell, independent of any unit. Not sure yet what I'll do with this space, but I will get electrical run up there for any future plans. Owner suite. Then there's the basement. Lots of questions with the sewers and the water service, the plumbing in general. I believe there's tree roots coming out of the pipes. I'm gonna need to break up the concrete to see what's happening. Oh yeah, the tree on the roof. This branch is a tree, and the tree is ginormous. It's gonna take a crane to remove it, and then I'll need a hole in the roof. First steps are the windows, roof, and utilities. Without those, it's hard to get up and going. I'll be focused on the unit on the 1st floor, and then moving upstairs. I realize it looks a bit rough now, but I believe in potential. And I know it's gonna make someone very happy to live here one day. It's been close to a decade, so it's about time. As always, follow my journey as a Canadian in Detroit.